Hello guys, welcome to probably I don't know yet the last video. I'm pretty much sure one of the last video of this educational. We're talking about psychology and money management. So psychology is said to be the most important part of trading. Well, to be honest, I personally think this is not the case. I mean, for me, the most important part is the strategy, not the psychology. From the moment you have a valid strategy, which you have backtested year after year, and it has proven to work as my strategies do. Psychology takes a back seat. Okay, this is, I don't want to say that it is not important. Okay, I just say another thing. If you trade with fear, or if you change the trade based on feelings or on particular emotions, this means that you are not sure about the strategy. You are not sure what the strategy is. And if you are not sure about the strategy, it is because probably the strategy is not performing, or it is not suitable to you, or it is not understandable. It is too, how can I say, interpretable. I think this word does exist. I trust you. I myself, I'm psychological, very emotional, and until a few years ago I was too conditioned by my mind, and the results are proof, okay, of this. I was constantly falling into overtrading every day. I blow so many accounts. I throw lots of $1,000 away. Okay, but it was just another kind of way to invest. I mean, overtrading is always means blowing your account in just very few time. Okay, but the fault was not mine, or lack of conviction, or lack of discipline. The real problem was the lack of confidence that only a valid strategy, only a good strategy can give you. It is clear that, how can I say, you must be psychologically solid in respecting the strategy and its rules. But I mean, if you are not going to respect the rules, we are not talking about psychology, but we are talking about stupidity. To date, I've not achieved full harmony in my way of trading. I'm honest, and who knows if I will ever achieve it. As I said in the previous videos, leaving the trade overnight happens often, in particular with the ST strategy, and this is something I don't really like. but just only because I always tend to take my mobile and see what is going on my platform, my trading platform. Instead, I should dedicate myself and really to really important things, okay, which I sometimes omit from the moment I have trades are still open, but it's just about me, okay. Now, I'm not a personal trainer, I'm not a yoga guru, and I don't want to talk about meditation, etc., etc. That is your business, and it goes without saying about that it is important to dedicate yourself to a physical and mental health, just like any other job. What I can tell you is that my working mental health, the way I work, and most importantly my results have drastically changed, okay, dramatically changed in positive way, obviously, since I identified this strategy, and since I put a must to myself that I have to respect the rules. I rely on their stability and try as much as possible to operate within strict rules like a computer would. When I take decision contrary to my strategy, and this is, believe me, something that always happen. I did decision contrary to my strategy just because I think the market is going against me, because, for example, news is about to come, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so more or less the 90% of the time that I take a decision contrary to my strategy, I lose money. Okay, just because it is emotions, it is emotionality. Okay. Moreover, and I will close this premise. If the strategy is combined with the correct money management, then everything becomes manageable. I really don't remember which accent it is. It is the good one. Well, anyway, not stressful and above all profitable. Okay, so in this video session we will talk about money management and everything we need to make a profit I can't say every day, because it's not true, but more or less every month. Okay. I want to clarify one very important thing. What I will show you now is what can I say, is a general approach, okay, but everything must be based on what is your daily reality, about on how many hours you are available. It depends on the capital, of course. Okay, and first of all, it depends on how much you're willing to invest. But to be honest, it depends on how much you are willing to lose, because losses are part of trading. Okay, I probably hit more or less one stop loss every 2 days, average. Okay, in 2000, 2 years ago, so 2019, I remember 10 trading days with only losses. Okay, only losses. So 3 losses per day. Okay, and this is very a very strong thing that can happen to you, and you must be ready for that. Okay, to take losses, as also big losses, to take part of your trading activity. But if everything is allowed, we can say, by your money management approach, you have nothing to worry about. Okay, so this is not so much a psychological matter, but it is your matter. It is a personal one. Okay, everyone has to look for their own style, their own way of trading. Okay, first of all, what is a trading plan? I created this PowerPoint chart, that this PDF, that it will be available to you on the dashboard. A trading plan, it is a strategical and very detailed checklist to follow every day during your trading activity. Okay, so it's a logical step-by-step list you must have in front of you and read carefully before opening any order. It shows you your own rules to follow strictly to make sure you avoid common mistakes that the most part of traders commit when they are based on emotion. That's the first cause of wasting money. The most powerful thing a trading plan does for you is that it keeps away from trade with uncertain market conditions. Because by trading plan you can drastically increase the quality of your trades if you're really focused on following your trading plan. Discipline will increase as well. Before we started, let's tell you what a trading plan should not be. Okay, so first of all, it should not be too long. It's your personal daily newspaper. You have to read before market opening, so be sure it doesn't take you a lot of time. Okay, because as I said before, it is just a checklist. Okay, so it's a to-do list. Because we take everything for granted. Okay, but trading is a mechanical activity. Okay, in which you have to work step by step. Okay, so you have to always write down all these steps, and it is very important that these steps are written down. Otherwise, you're gonna be to forget them. Okay. Trading plan should not be difficult. The easier your trading plan will be, the easier will be for you to use your daily operations. Detached, improvised. Our trading plan should not be improvised. Trading is a professional activity, it's not a gamble, like most people think. Okay, we are not in Vegas. Consider you as an entrepreneur who's launching his own company. Okay, it's the same thing, just a company. The target must be possible concerning your capital, your attitude, time, and emotionality. A trading plan, in the end, should not be unmovable, because market is always changing every day. And to be honest, guys, I'm pretty much sure that in 2021 and 2022, probably 2023, my strategies will work. Okay, but I'm not sure that within 5 years everything is going to change. So I will have to adjust something on my trading. Okay, because I'm not sure that I will be profitable in 5 years. I'm very, very honest. I think so. Okay, I think so, because now I suppose I understand the market. Okay, but who knows? So the market is always changing every day. So make sure your trading plan is not flexible and open to follow the market changes. Okay. But anyway, it has to be flexible as well. So you have to find a good middle way. Okay. So what do you need? This is I won't show you my trading plan. Okay, I won't show you my to-do list, just because I don't want you to. I want you to create your own trading plan. Okay. But you know that my to-do list is try to strictly follow the 5-imp and the ST strategy rules. Okay, so you know that at 8 a.m. in the morning I'm in front of my PC, and the first thing I take a look to the economic calendar. I use Forex Factory calendar to find out the market that I don't have to trade just because of news or something like that. I take a look to my favorite market leader site, from which understand the market in a better way. Okay, I will give you some example in the dashboard. I will take a look to the major crosses. Okay, and first of all on the major index, so S&P, Eurostock, DAX, and the FTSE MIB, which is the index I trade. I will do the analysis. Okay, I'm looking for possible entries. Okay, I try to find out many wave patterns and price action setups, structure, as we will see, as you saw in the 5-imp Investing video session. Okay, and this is only a part of the trade, I mean on the graphic part. What do you need? You need to know your goals. So where do you want to go? Which are your daily, monthly and yearly target? Okay, now I know that it's difficult to set your goals because everybody can say I want to earn $100,000 per year. Okay, it will be easy. Try to be realistic to your capital, to your considering how many hours per day you can trade, etc. Trading strategy. Are you a scalper? Are you intraday, a multi-day trader? Did you spend months to backtest your strategy? Do you feel suitable for it? Is it from the technical analysis, fundamental analysis? Is it indicators based? Make sure you find clear condition that you can easily find and follow. Okay, but about trading strategy, I think you have already everything you need. Okay, trust these strategies because they are both very profitable. Money management, I really don't remember. Maybe the most important thing, we have already defined our realistic risk reward. You have to think how much is this comfortable for you. Okay, and like I said before, how much is comfortable for you to lose on every operation. Okay, if losing $50 per operation makes you stressed, makes you anger, you have to consider a lower amount. Okay, how much do you want to withdraw from your broker once you become profitable? You can reinvest your trade, or you need your profits. Tools, assets, and time. We don't talk about trading platform or brokers in this session because I've talked before on the one of the first videos. Now I don't remember. You have to find your own market. Okay, what is your crosses? Which are the markets you want to trade? You like forex? You like cryptocurrencies, index, metals, stocks? Try to define a watch list. a fixed watch list. Okay, because you have to choose your own market, and you have to try to understand. Okay, and you understand only after many days in which you are in which your eyes are there, okay, to see what's happened. Okay, so do not hesitate here. This is a very important part of your job. Try to know yourself, emotions, for example. This is probably it's fundamental to find a good way to trade, okay, that suits perfectly with your way to live. Time as well is very important. You have not to be stressed after a day trade. Okay, so you have to wonder how much hours per day, per week, or per month you have. Okay, trading for you is a full-time or a part-time job. You want to live with the profit you get for your trading. Okay, we already talked about this. What about capital? I'm pretty much sure that you don't need a very huge capital. Okay, you don't need $100,000 to trade. Okay, I started with 5,000 account. Okay, 5,000 capital at first. After investing so many dollars, okay, in blowing my others account capitals in courses, trading, masters, educationals, etc. But I'm pretty much sure that with 1,000, for example, $1,000, you can gradually build your own trading life. Okay, obviously you cannot pretend that with 1,000 capital account you can may get rich in a few years. Okay, if you do, let me know how. Anyway, okay, so you can start with 500, for example, dollars, but I mean, don't think to survive in this cruel world with it. Okay, it's just for training. Okay. Anyway, the most important thing of everything, once you fix your goals, daily, monthly, yearly, whatever, you have to respect them, as you have to respect the rules of your strategy.